Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making very tasty vegetarian dish Borani Banjan, which is an Afghan eggplant dish with yogurt and tomato sauce. It's healthy, light and makes for a perfect vegetarian cold appetizer with freshly baked pita bread or can be served as a side dish or a meatless main dish. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. I have taken 3 medium-sized eggplants and I'll start by cutting these in thick slices. As you guys can see it, all these slices are of more or less the same thickness. Now we'll put these in a pot and cut the other two the same way. After putting all the slices in a pot, we'll fill the pot with the water and soak these for 20 minutes. We will also add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Soaking these eggplant slices in water and salt mixture will help remove the excess liquid and some of the natural bitterness of eggplants. For the sauce, I have taken 1 small sized onion and I'm going to finely chop it. I've taken a thick bottom pan here and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil starts heating up, add chopped up onion in it. We're going to saute these onions for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat till they are translucent and slightly pink in color. Our onions are done now, so now we'll add 3 cloves of freshly grated garlic in it. You can use garlic paste or chopped up garlic as well, but make sure you use fresh garlic in this recipe. We'll saute the garlic for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding 3 medium-sized chopped up tomatoes in it. Mix it really well and saute it for another 3 to 4 minutes to soften the tomatoes a little bit. Once done, add 1/3 can of tomato paste in it. Mix it really well and start adding the spices in it. We will first add half a teaspoon of salt in it. Then I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, and 1 pinch of turmeric powder in it. Now we'll saute it for 3 to 4 minutes to get rid of the rawness of the spices. Once done, add 1/4 cup of water in it. Cover the pot and let it simmer on medium-low heat for a few minutes till the tomatoes are done 100%. Check the sauce in between and mash the tomatoes with the help of a spatula, as we don't want the chunks of tomatoes in the sauce. The sauce is ready now. As you guys can see it has released the oil as well. Now we'll come toward the second step of this recipe. We'll first take out the eggplant slices from the water and squeeze them with our hands like this. This will help extracting all the water or the liquid from the eggplant slices and make them dry as well. Now we'll start frying the eggplant slices. Traditionally, these slices are deep fried in the oil, but I'm going to grill these slices in very less oil, which will make it less oily and more healthy. Drizzle some oil on a grill pan and we'll place these slices like this and fry these on medium heat till they are slightly golden from both the sides. After frying all the slices, we'll put them in a pan and add 4 tablespoons of water in it. And let it steam on low flame till they are 100% done. Now we will make the second sauce, which is the yogurt sauce, and for that I have taken 1 cup of yogurt and I'm going to whisk it really well to bring it to a smooth texture. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves. I'm using fresh mint leaves here. You can use dried mint as well. After the mint leaves, we will add 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic paste and salt, which will be according to your taste. Mix it really well so that all the flavors are well combined. To assemble the dish, we will first add the tomato sauce and spread it like this. Then we will layer it with fried and steamed eggplant slices. Put some more sauce. And some yogurt sauce. And some more tomato sauce. And cover it with the remaining yogurt sauce. To further enhance the flavors, I'm also adding tempering, tadka or bagar on top of the dish, and for that I've taken 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and I've added 3 dried whole red chilies and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll let it splutter for some time and then we will add it on top of the dish. Sprinkle some fresh mint leaves or dried mint and black pepper powder on top and enjoy this delicious vegetarian Afghan recipe. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more recipes.